Yo, Wagwan, daily recap. We got the 26th Wednesday night. Yeah, Wednesday night, New York session. So coming to the session, basically we didn't want to trade until we had like a perfect trade because we had Nvidia earnings. So when you're trading NQ and ES, you really want to check the earnings because every quarterly, like Q1, Q2, there's the earnings of these massive stock companies, and Nvidia is like I think it's one of the top companies on Nasdaq and yes, so that really moves the markets. And that earnings is in the morning. So normally the prior session is very volatile. So basically we wanted to play it safe, give us some perfect trades. Th- Yeah, just give us some perfect trades, but there was no trade today. And that's why we just came in. There was news at 10:30 PCE, but it didn't really move the market. But coming into it, we were looking for shorts. We were looking for shorts, but since market open, it just completely just give us some, yeah, it just boomed up. So after this, we're basically saying, yeah, like this is the cook session. We were looking for longs after this, but then after it could have swept some liquidity, it could have swept those liquidity and gone down. But since how bullish this candle was, it's like a 1% candle, massive bullishness. Yeah, just this massive, and then that's where we get into it. But this is where we get into it. But it was lucky chop till the session. We had some news, and then this was the massive move up at market open, just straight boomed up. And after that, we were just basically looking for longs, but it didn't give us no longs. But we had a little test. We would have had an entry right here after it swept all these London highs and Asia highs. Same happened in ES. It just swept all of it, but it kept on Loki. It was like Loki chop. You can clearly see it was just chopping around. So like we just played it safe. It was looking too bullish after that. So we're saying yeah, there's no shorts in the game. But if we had to trade, this would have been a perfect trade right here. The engulfing candle swept the lows. Engulfing just shows it literally confirms the liquidity sweep to I think that's London lows and then back into the chop, back in the range. But it was a quick one. It was just hella volatile and we don't really want some crazy news like that to happen. And then yeah, it was just choppy. But this was a quick one. We should get some better markets next month. This month is low key. This week entirely. I will just give you a quick, just show you like this quick week. Just look at it. Basically barcodes, a little moves, but barcodes. That's last week's, and then because in the video we have a gap, but I already closed the gap, so we basically don't need anything. But that's today's session.